Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like, and comment on this video. Hear what P. Daniel has to say about his wife's birthday. He said she was sounding his sound. Listen.
I received a new song. I was singing the song, and a lady was in the choir. Give that lady the mic. Let me hear her sing that song again. Let me hear her. The way you sang it that day. Ìmọ́lẹ̀ ìtàn lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́.
Nínú ìtẹ̀lẹ̀ ìmọ́lẹ̀ àtàn, ìmọ́lẹ̀ àtàn, ìmọ́lẹ̀ ń tàn lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́. Nínú ìtẹ̀lẹ̀.
After the service, I said, "Sister, can I see you?" I said, "What did I say?"
You are sounding my sound.
I said, "You are sounding my sound." She said, "Pastor." I said, "Yes, you are sounding my sound." That was October 6. October 12, I told her I want to marry her. December, we did introduction. May, we got married. 6 months.